Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert solid line border to shape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document and I insert solid line border to shape in this document. At first you have to go insert menu, then click drawing option, then press plus new. Now you can see here a drawing interface. Now insert a shape here. Now I go to shape menu and choose this shape. Now I add solid line border in this shape. Select this shape, then change this shape color. Now go to border color. Now choose a color of a border. Now I choose red color. Then make it bigger to this border wide. Now I create 12 pixel. Then press save and close. Now you can see I add solid line border in this shape. Now you can't move on this shape. You have to move this shape, then select this shape, then go to image option. Now you can see here are size and rotation option. Click on it. Sorry. Click text wrapping option. Now you can see here in front of text. Just press it. Now you can move this shape. You guys see I insert solid line border to shape in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.